Hey, what's going on, guys? Mucky Moo here. Today I'm going to be showing you the legal Cash App hack. How you can make $25. You are going to need to have $5 to do this legal Cash App hack. Okay, so this is what the Cash App hack is, and it's 100% legal. You are going to have your account. You can invite people for $15, right? You can do this. So what I'm going to do, in the link down in the description, I'm going to give you my invite code. From here, you're going to send me or somebody you trust $5, right? With a brand new account with all your information verified, right? You're going to send somebody $5 you trust or me, and I will send you the $5 back, and you will make 15. Now, if you get the $5 back already, you will make 20. As you can see here, the person that you invite as well also gets $5. So my dad, he got $5 when he invited me. So that $5 also went from 20 to 25. And then I had an extra dollar, that was 26. And he gave me $26, and that was cashed out to my bank account. This is legal. You can do this with literally anybody. Like right here, you have unlimited amount of resources. You can get people to literally make you a millionaire. Okay, let's say you wanted to do this more than once and you're the only one doing this. Well, for my trick, you're going to need 3 different credit cards, right? 3 different credit cards on your name, and that don't have, Cash Apps associated with them. You're also going to need 3 different numbers. You cannot use text now numbers or anything like that because Cash App will not accept text now numbers. If you have 3 different cards and 3 different emails and 3 different numbers, you definitely can do this 3 different times by yourself. But my recommendation is to do exactly what I'm doing: make a YouTube video and tell people about your invite code. And if they're brand new, just make sure you send them the $5 back if they do send you the $5. But I recommend you go to somebody you trust, and somebody you already know how has a Cash App, and send them the $5 so you're gonna get. Okay, guys, and that's all I have for this video today. If you want a PayPal hack, I will definitely be in the works with that one. If this video gets more than, I don't know, 5 likes, I'll make a PayPal video. But thank you so much for your time, and I will be in touch with all of you in the comments down below.